Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application. From here on, I click on these four dots and select settings, and then choose import export, import from SIM. This will then display all the contacts that you have on your SIM card. So you can quickly select all of them by clicking right here and then select import next to it. It gives you this option right here to import or select where you want to import them, to be more precise. Now for me, it only gives me phone as an option, but if I had, for instance, HUAWEI account signed in, that would also be an option. Now once you click on it, it automatically imports your contacts and should now be visible in your contacts list. Now that being said, HUAWEI contacts list displays both the SIM contacts and the imported contacts at the same time. So you can see we have now duplicate contacts, and you can just see that these two, for instance, are on a SIM card, while the ones below are the ones that are on a phone. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.